Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to customize menu on Samsung Internet. The customizing menu on Samsung Internet means to edit it, either to bring it up, bring it down, remove some and add some. So let's do it. From the home menu, what you do is that you tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen here. Three lines here at the far bottom of the screen. Tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Then tap on layout and menu. And then tap on customize menu, and here it is. Now these are the ones that are showing in the menu. So want to add more to it, we can decide to add unblock ad temporarily by pressing down on it and moving it into this place. You can also decide to add turn on secret mode, same. I want to remove anyone from here. For example, let's say I want to remove add page 2, press down and remove it. It's as simple as that. And if you want to reset everything you've done, click on reset at the top. You can also do the same for this part. Let's say I want to move this one here. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.